Dear children, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. Children, kindly take out Standard 5 Social Studies, Chapter 12, The Power of Knowledge. In this chapter, we will discuss about the story of writing, the story behind numbers, the story of paper, the story of printing, and Braille, a script for the blind. Okay, so let's start the chapter. From the earliest time, man used signs and gestures to communicate with each other. As the time goes, he gathered his knowledge from his experience. For example, he learned to do domestication, learned to make fire and rearing of animals, etc. He passed on this knowledge from one generation to another. It the beginning it was all done orally. It was not recorded in writing. So much of the knowledge was lost. Moreover, it was not possible for a human to memorize a vast knowledge. Now the knowledge has started getting recorded. Next, we'll see the story of writing. The story of writing begins when the early man drew pictures of animals on the walls of their caves. This form of writing is known as pictography. Sometimes they used tablets of clay to write their signs. Children see tablets. Slowly, the pictures were replaced by signs and symbols. The development of symbols led to the growth of script. A script is a system of writing. All languages are written in a particular script. These types of script are found in Egypt. They are called hieroglyphs. These signs and symbols probably give birth to letters. The oldest script in India was discovered in the seals of the Indus Valley civilization. No one has yet been able to read the script, not even the languages experts. Many years later, Brahmi script was found. The Brahmi script is the mother of many other scripts. Hindi is written in Devanagari script. Today, most languages use the system of alphabet. These alphabets are basically symbols representing different sounds. Next, we'll see the story behind numbers. The story behind the numbers begins with early humans. They used sticks, dots to count their hunted animals or food. Later, fingers were used by the Indians. Children see different number systems. See, the Romans invented a system of writing numbers in which 7 symbols were used. The Hindu Arabic system of writing numbers being used in the world today. It was the Arabs who took it to Europe. The decimal system and concept of zero or shunya was also discovered in India. Next, we'll discuss the story of paper. The Egyptians were the first to make paper from a stem of plant called papyrus. The word paper is derived from papyrus. For a long time, the papyrus was to be used as writing material for a long time. Then, the actual paper was first made by the Chinese about 1900 years ago. It was actually made from the bark of the trees. The barks were made into pulp and then spread out in thin sheets and left to dry. Today, wood pulp is used to make papers. The story of printing. Earlier, books had to be written by hand on papers. Therefore, books were very rare. The process was very slow. The people who wrote books by hand were called scribes. The handwritten books were available to very few people. People used pointed pen shaped tools made of wood or bamboo as writing instrument. As the knowledge increases among the people, the demands of the books also increased. So, later in 1443, the first printing press was built by Johannes Gutenberg of Germany. He used molds of alphabet letters to make words, lines, or pages. Ink was applied on the molds and pressed them on paper to get the impression to print a book. These molds can be reused and could be used to print more books in lesser time. Now, printing technology is so advanced that thousands of books can be printed overnight. With the coming of computer, printing has become much faster and better. See children, this is printing press. Next we will discuss about Braille, a script for the blind. So we read with our eyes, but how would a person who can't see can read? For blind or people, Louis Braille of France developed a special script called Braille in 1825. In such type of script, the letters of each word are printed as small dots in a definite pattern. These dots are raised above the surface of paper so the visually challenged can feel them with their fingers. Braille can read by running fingers lightly along these dots. Printing brought about a revolution in the field of knowledge. Children, see a person without sight reading using Braille. Okay children, thank you.